We're in the middle of nowhere because there's no better place to reveal the next generation GMC Canyon. And I'm especially excited about the first ever GMC Canyon AT4X with the Edition 1 package. We're gonna do a walk around of this vehicle and we're gonna see what we got. Let's start right under the hood. In the middle of nowhere, you need power to get you up, over, and through. And the Canyon AT4X is not messing around. This thing has a 2.7-liter turbo high-output engine. Not only is it lightweight, producing an estimated 310 horsepower, but it has power when and where you need it with an estimated 430 pound-feet of torque. The Canyon is more than capable to get you where you want to explore. To say this thing packs a punch is an understatement, but we have to put that power to use. The Canyon AT4X is taller and wider than any other Canyon model to date, and for good reason. Almost 11 inches of ground clearance. Now combine that with 33-inch off-road tires and the ultra-wide stance for off-camber stability. That's not just for good looks. We've got Multimatic DSSV shocks standard, which are especially designed for the off-road demands of the Canyon AT4X. We've also got front and rear E-lockers for optimal traction. Personally, I prefer the E-lockers for dependability and reliability. They'll be there when you need them. And it's really nice to get a vehicle from the factory with this much off-road gear, like heavy-duty skid plates, a large transfer case shield, and rocker protectors. The Canyon AT4X Edition 1 also comes with a front off-road bumper, winch, grille light, beadlock capable wheels, underbody cameras, and a bed rail system. Now I could talk about the off-road hardware for an hour, but I want to show you guys my favorite part. Let's take a look at the high-tech cockpit of the Canyon AT4X. This thing feels more like a fighter jet than a truck, and it's the evolution Canyon fans have been anticipating. One of the first things you'll notice is the available class-leading 11-inch diagonal driver information center and first-in-class head-up display. These screens put real-time data and driving information, such as safety, speed, audio, and more, directly in your line of sight, critical when navigating a trail road. Canyon AT4X also has an 11-inch diagonal center screen. Customizable to your personal preference, it brings together everything from entertainment, an off-road app, and camera views. We have a saying in the overland community, when in doubt, get out. Thankfully, with the Canyon AT4X, you really don't have to. And that's because it comes with up to 10 camera views, including surround vision, helping you see around your truck with ease. What about when you're kicking up mud and dust on the trail? Well, the Canyon team thought of that. The available underbody cameras on this truck are waterproof and complete with a wash system to help knock out mud and dirt. It's details like these that show that this truck was built by off-roaders for off-roaders. There are things you need to know out here on the trail that you just can't see with the naked eye. This is an area where the GMC off-road performance display comes through. This technology integrates seamlessly with the infotainment system to display real-time off-road performance information. It allows you to easily monitor everything from pitch and roll to wheel slip. Plus, it has an aircraft-style altimeter for clarity, G-force gauge, and more. The Canyon AT4X comes straight from the factory with some serious off-road chops, so you can feel at home in any environment. Not only that, but it comes ready to be outfitted with some of the most premium off-road equipment on the market. If you're ready for some seriously advanced off-road adventure, the Canyon AT4X is the most advanced off-road midsize truck. Nowhere is out there, and the first ever GMC Canyon AT4X will help you find it.